Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I'm going to show you how to make these story sliders for We're Going on a Bear Hunt. Okay, so we've got black and white versions and colour versions, and there are different templates for the slider underneath, so we can do these with find and stick pictures. Some of them have text, some of them don't have text. I'm going to show you what we've got and how we use them, and give you some ideas for how you can integrate language in using the craft afterwards, and some ideas for how you can use the language while you're making them too. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so how can you use these to practice language from the story or vocabulary from the story? Well, if you were going to use it, you could use it as a simple literacy activity if you're using the text, where students read what's up there and then they find the picture and they cut and paste it in the correct place. If you want to focus more on oral comprehension, either while you're making this or in an activity afterwards, you could say a phrase from the story. So, it could be, oh no, it's a cave, at the most simplest, and then they find the cave. It could be describing the image, so it's cold, it's wet, it's blue, and that could identify the river. So if you were doing that afterwards, you could simply slide it to the correct place and show you, or when they're making it, that could help them find the picture and then to stick that in the place. You could do it by ordinal numbers as well. So what's third? And then they'd find third. Okay, that's mud. Okay, so yeah, a few different ideas. Of course, you can also use this as a retelling device, so getting them to work in pairs together or with you the whole class, and retell the story and just move this as they're retelling the story. It's a nice thing to take home to the families as well, and try and encourage them to tell the story with their parents, with their grandma, grandpa. Alright, so I think your kids will enjoy making this. Obviously, this is We're Going on a Bear Hunt. You can get this in our Bear Hunt activity pack, but I'm sure you can think of lots of other stories, find images, and you could make your own versions of this for other stories that you like. Okay, thank you for watching.